In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect American Express to QuickBooks Online in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or someone who's starting fresh, linking your American Express account can significantly streamline your financial management. So let's dive into these straightforward steps to get you all set up. First, you'll want to go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Here, you're going to see the option to sign in. Give that a click. This will redirect you to a page where you need to make a selection. You'll select QuickBooks Online from the menu. This ensures that the process is tailored distinctly for QuickBooks Online users. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. You know the drill, it's your username and password that you've registered previously with QuickBooks. Once you've double checked to make sure everything's spelled correctly, click on Continue to proceed. This will take you right into your personalized QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, take a look along the left-hand side and find the option labeled Bank Transactions. Click on this tab. This section is going to be your main hub for all transactions related to your bank accounts, including credit cards, so it's an area you'll be visiting regularly. In the Bank Transactions area, you're going to see a link or button saying Link Account. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding your American Express account to QuickBooks. It's an important part, so make sure to select the right option when prompted. Now here's where you start typing in the name of your financial institution. Just type American Express into the search field. QuickBooks will provide you a list of suggestions, so be sure to click on American Express when it comes up. This connects you securely to their platform. After selecting American Express, the next step is to fill in your card details. This is where you enter your credit card information, ensuring it's all accurate. This information is crucial as it allows QuickBooks to securely link to your American Express account and start downloading transactions for easy management. Once all your credentials are filled in and cross-checked for accuracy, go ahead and click Proceed to complete the linking process. By connecting your account, QuickBooks will begin pulling in your transaction data, which aids in seamless bookkeeping and tracking every expenditure automatically. Remember, maintaining the accuracy of your financial records is paramount, so always double-check each entry as you go. And there you have it, seamlessly connected QuickBooks with your American Express account. Feel free to watch the video again for any clarifications. Thank you for joining me today, and happy accounting.